The Baby Packing Bible. From diapers to wipes and clothes galore, we'll provide the key to packing and so much more.
So grab your luggage and don't delay. Pack like a pro starting today.
So you're standing in your living room, staring at a baby onesie the size of a squirrel, and wondering how something so tiny needs so much stuff. Welcome to Packing for Traveling with a Baby.
I are here to turn this baby packing circus into something you laugh about later. Much later.
First, let's talk diapers. Bring enough for 1 diaper per hour of transit, plus half your baby's weight in extras.
Half their weight? Oh, are we raising a baby or training a sumo wrestler?
Trust me, you don't want to be that parent improvising with paper towels during a diaper emergency in the middle of an airplane ride.
On our latest trip, we were stranded in Germany overnight due to flight delays.
Yep, and they sent our checked bags to a country we didn't even go to.
Thankfully, we packed enough extra diapers in our carry-on.
And we made a quick stop at the travel shops at the airport for some extra supplies.
The baby needs more gear than a NASA's mission. Am I right, parents?
Now I know you want that Instagram-worthy pic of your little angel in a cute outfit in front of icons like the Eiffel Tower, but let's be practical. Pack layers. Weather can be unpredictable, especially if you're chasing those adorable travel pics.
Always pack extra socks, and while you're at it, pack extra of everything. Spit up happens, blowout happens, life happens. We regret not having an extra pair of long sleeves and pants to put under the cute dress for our daughter she wore at the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
And don't forget those zippered baggies. They're your new best friend. Wet clothes, dirty diapers, snacks, Ziplocs can handle it all.
Okay, let's talk entertainment. Forget those fancy toys. Just grab a couple of spoons and some empty water bottles. Instant baby rave.
And don't underestimate the power of distraction. Pack a few new small toys that your baby hasn't seen before. Whip one out when they're ready to have a meltdown on the plane and bam, instant peace.
Or you can just let them cry it out. Bill's character. Just kidding.
So let's talk about getting around. If you're planning on using public transportation, a baby carrier is your best friend.
If you're doing a walk-in city tour, bring a foldable stroller along. You want something lightweight but sturdy. We recommend a 3D light stroller.
Stroller takes a beating and keeps on rolling.
Rolling.
This stroller survived the cobblestones in Rome, every bridge in Venice, and the lean sidewalks of Florence like a champ.
Bring lots and lots of snacks. Depending on what age your baby is, things like veggie straws, pre-made formula, fruit cups, applesauce, rice cakes, granola bars, or even some of those baby food pouches work great.
Sometimes I wonder just how big Ashley's stomach really is.
And don't forget meds. Things like baby Tylenol, Band-Aids, a thermometer, and definitely extra pacifiers. It's your peace of mind kit.
Baby backpack is essential for day trips. Those things can really pack a lot.
We always had a travel changing pad with pockets for diapers and other essentials. Sometimes it was great to just grab this small pack, as bathroom space can be pretty cramped wherever you might be. If your baby is still on formula, pack Ziplocs with pre-portioned powder to just add to their bottle with some bottled water while on the go. We even had some packaged formula from the hospital we kept as emergency backups.
We brought along a small container and filled it with leftovers in order to have on-hand breakfast the next morning. It's great for a few grapes or steamed veggies on the go.
Lastly, wipes. Extra wipes and tissues. Kids are messy.
If you're renting a car, check to make sure the company offers a baby seat as an option. And make sure it's easy to install. You don't want to be that parent sweating bullets in the parking lot, trying to figure out how to attach a car seat while your baby screams like a banshee. We were in for a moment.
Pack a few toys, but keep it light.
Ashley liked hugging her new Squishmallow. That was a real hit and helped soothe her during times of stress.
Make sure you have all your baby's documents ready. Passport, copy of birth certificate, and any necessary vaccination records based on your destination's governance.
Lastly, remember to stay calm and collected. Traveling with a baby can be stressful, but it's also an amazing adventure. Embrace the chaos and enjoy the ride.
And if all else fails, just remember that you're creating memories that will last a lifetime, even if those memories include a screaming baby or a lost stroller.
Happy packing! In the next baby video series, we'll touch on airports and airlines.
Sad to say, but not all airlines are created equal. We'll share our recommendations and tips. Talk to you all next week.